We have a video and a text on our timeline. I want to keep this text behind this wall, so the text would disappear when the wall passes by. For that, I'm going to duplicate this video. For that, I'm going to press Alt and then drag this video into a higher timeline. Here we have a video above our text. Then I'm going to mask this region so that our text would appear above the video. For that, select this video and then go to Effects, Controls, Opacity, and then click on this pen tool. You can use this pen tool to mask this region. And then we can see our text appears above the video. So now we have to animate this masked region so that our text would disappear with this part moving up. We can animate this mask automatically or manually. If you wanna do it automatically, you can just click on this mask and then click on this track selected mask forward button. For example, if you do it automatically, well, as you can see, Premiere is automatically masking this path or animating the mask of this path, but I don't think this is gonna end up fine. So as you can see, this is not doing a great job, so it's better if we can manually animate this. Now as you can see, this Premiere's automatic mask path animator has created keyframes for all the frames, so manually creating is much easier than using this automatic feature in Premiere. But if it works fine, then you can use it for your videos. Now I'm gonna delete this keyframe. Let's go to the start of this video and then click on this icon to add a keyframe, and then let's go to the end of this video and we can select this mask and then we can animate this mask so that the text will disappear. And then if we come into a region like this, and then we can again animate this path so that the text will appear like this. You don't have to edit all the frames because you can see this having a smooth motion, so we don't have to set all the frames. In this way, you can add text behind objects, or you can create revealing text. If there are several objects, you can duplicate these videos several times and you can mask individual subjects separately and then animate them. I can show them too, but I'm too lazy to do that. So thanks for watching.